It's 2022 and it's time for you to start a YouTube channel, whether that's to start posting videos on and creating content for, or whether you just want to create a channel to watch videos on. We are going to help you out here. We're going to show you how to create a channel, how to get it set up, obviously. Then from there, we're going to show you how to customize your channel and how to kind of get started with that process and even where to go to upload your first video. So nevertheless, let's go ahead, jump right on into it. And here we are, right? We are on the YouTube homepage. Now, as we sit, we are logged out. If you already have a YouTube account, you want to create an additional one, that's very easy. But if you don't, just click sign in the top right. If you do have a YouTube account already, you're going to look like this. Similar YouTube homepage, except in the top right, you'll have this little profile icon. Click on that, and then you want to go to switch account, and then you want to click add account right here. And you'll notice this is the exact same page that we were on over here, right? So both of these are now the exact same. Right, like so. So nevertheless, once you're on this page, instead of logging into an account, we're creating an account. So you want to go ahead and click create account here, and then you're going to select for myself, for my child, or to manage my business. We're going to go ahead and click for myself here, and then you just kind of go through the account creation process. You're going to enter in your name, for example, Todd Taylor, right like so, and then your email address. Now, one of the cool things is you can create a new Gmail address instead of using an existing email. It's 100% up to you, whichever one you want to do. For this, I'm going to basically create a new Gmail address, because that is easier. And then we obviously want to enter in a password. I'm going to go ahead and do that real fast. There we go. The password's entered, and now we can go ahead and click next, and it's going to ask us for our phone number. Now, this is optional. I would recommend doing it. It's going to make things a lot easier to recover your account, and overall, it's just going to make your account way more secure, but I'm not going to enter it in here because this is a simple tutorial account. I'm also going to go ahead, enter in the birthday here. There we go. Gender, go ahead and select that, and then from there, we can click next. Finally, you obviously have the terms and conditions of the YouTube. Let's go ahead and click I agree there, and we will, last but not least, land on the YouTube homepage. It's that simple to create a channel, except we haven't created a channel, and this is what's weird. We created a YouTube account to where we can watch videos, and if all you're interested in doing is watching YouTube content and watching videos, well, then here you go. Go ahead, watch videos, all of that stuff, get some Mr. Beast going, you're good. However, if you want to actually upload videos and create stuff and all that, you want to click up here in the top right and then click on create channel. So click on that profile icon on the top right and then click create a channel. It's then going to take you here where you can actually go through, change the name of the channel if you wanted to. So let's say your name is Todd Taylor, but you want it to be, Todd Taylor Vlogs or something like that for your YouTube channel. You could do that. You can go ahead and upload a photo here. So select that and select a photo. I say we go with this really old photo of me. Wow. Lost some weight since then, thank goodness. But nevertheless, here we are. We're going to go ahead, go with that. Todd Taylor Vlogs, photo of me, create channel. And now it's actually creating a YouTube channel. I'm also going to show you how to change that photo later if you want to. But here we go, right? Here is the YouTube channel. And in the top right, we do see we have that up there. And this should update. There we go, when you refresh. So here's your channel. As you can see, you can upload a video here. But I'm going to mention that more a little later on. What if you want to customize the rest of this channel? Well, you can click customize channel here. And if you're not here already, just click on your channel. And then in the top right, you'll have customize channel. When you click on that, it's going to take you to the YouTube studio where you can get a little walkthrough if you would like, but this is where you can start customizing your channel. You can add a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, meaning they aren't subscribed to your channel, and they'll see that. If they are subscribed, they'll see this one right here, this other featured video, so just click add and select those. Obviously, we don't have any videos to select. And then your featured sections, this is kind of cool right here where you can see different sections featured on your channel. Short videos and uploads by default, but you can go in here and add all sorts of stuff. Popular uploads, live streams, playlists, things like that, as well as your descriptions and your featured channels. So overall, great stuff there. There's other branding as well. You've got your banner image, and that's what's going to show up here at the top. Let me go ahead and add one of those in just so you can see. So if we select this banner here, we can see this is the perfect resolution, if you will. And there we go. Go ahead and click done. You've now got a YouTube banner. There's also a watermark in the bottom right of the video. If you look on this video and hover over it, you actually see that watermark's there. It says subscribe. If you click on it, it'll ask you to subscribe to the channel. You can add any watermark you want here, whether it's your logo or something like that, or just a subscribe button like what we've done. And then last but not least, we do have the basic info. The description is, this is the channel's description here, so you know exactly where that's going to be on the channel page later on. And you can also add different languages that your channel has, which is really, really cool, as well as the channel URL. So this is how you will link out to your YouTube channel. You need 500 subscribers to get a vanity URL, which means you could do, for example, in this case, youtube.com/c/Todd Taylor Vlogs, right? You can't do that until you get 500 subscribers. Links here are going to be added to your YouTube channel profile, so we can go ahead and do a breakdown how to, which is obviously the channel you're watching right now. And if we go ahead and add a link to that channel, we will be able to see that on the channel page here in one moment. I'll also go ahead and add 2 more links here, but no reason to watch me do that. There we go, we have 2 more links, our website and our Minecraft tutorial channel. How many links do you want to show on your banner? Currently we only have 3, but up to 5 can be shown. And then this email address down here, this is your business email and it will be public, so be careful with whatever email you enter in there. Finally, we can go ahead and click publish, and that's going to publish this on the channel, and we can go ahead and click view channel to see it update. As you can see, there's the banner we added. Then we also have, if we go over here to the about section, this is the channel's description as well as our links, and in the top right, well, I say the top right, I guess the bottom right of the banner, we have a breakdown how to, which is our first link, and then the website as well as our Minecraft tutorial channel. That is all linked there. So that is how you can create and customize a YouTube channel in 2022. But if you want to upload a YouTube video, it's super simple. From anywhere on YouTube, click on the plus icon in the top right, and then go ahead and click upload video. It's then going to take you to the YouTube studio where you can select the video you want to upload. Here's the video I'm going to upload. I'm actually not going to upload it all the way, but it's just for this tutorial. Here it is. You can enter in your title, your video description, your thumbnail, as well as your playlist and other information. Click show more here for tags and stuff like that. And then as you continue through the upload process, you will be able to see, no, this video is not made for kids. Next, we go through the upload process and go ahead and enter in your end screen. End screen is where you're going to be able to see at the end of the video, things pop up on the screen. You're going to see it on this video, for example, that you're watching now. And then cards are the little eye pop-ups that happen in the top left of a video. Obviously, we don't have any other videos to add here, but you could add those. Nevertheless, we can then go through our checks here. This is just going to check for copyright and things like that. And then last but not least, you can either set a video private, which means only you can see the video, unlisted, which means anyone with the link can see the video, or public, which means everyone can see the video. You can also schedule a video to upload at a later time, but that's up to you. Nevertheless, thank you so much for watching. That is how you can make a YouTube channel in 2022. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and you might be interested in the video that is on your screen right now on how to open WinRAR files in Windows. It's a little bit off topic, but we're still starting this channel out, so don't have much out to link out to. So go check out that video, subscribe to help us out, and we'll see you in the next one.